What's going on, guys? David White here at Lakeland Hyundai. I hope that you're having an awesome day. If you haven't noticed, we're in the middle of a vehicle shortage. I get numerous calls each day of people looking for specific car lines and there's nothing available. I understand the frustration, but this has created a rare opportunity for you. Trade values are at an all-time high. This has never happened before and is allowing our clients to save thousands of dollars on new vehicles due to a massive increase on the value of theirs. We have factory order promotions on right now, and you can order exactly what you want. Listen, I don't like waiting either, but I hate compromising even more. So come see us today for your free assessment and get exactly what you want at the best deal around. Click the link below and one of our product specialists will book you in now. Because if you haven't bought a vehicle from us yet, don't worry, you will soon enough.